Okay, we're gonna prep sidewall poly. So you need your sidewall poly, and you need 2 H's, is how we call it. That looks something like this. So I like to peel my film back. I don't like to peel it all. Just try to keep it as clean as possible right to the end. Peel the ends. Flip it. Do the same. The only thing that you got to watch out for, so I'm going to say this is my outside, and this is going to be my bottom. So the longer lip on this H has to be facing towards the outside. Now these H's fit loose and they tend to drop, so I pinch the ends just to keep them a little tighter. And then on the top, we're going to want the long part of the H to face towards the inside. Now your poly's prepped. Okay, we're ready to install our side panel. So first thing you want to do is peel the film off your foam. Then we're going to take our poly panel, peel the back side off, and insert it, but we got to make sure that our top is in the right way. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time getting it in. We just slide her in. Bring it tight down. Push it in. Now this H is probably sitting a little low, so you just push it up on each end. Then we find our cap. This cap is a ripped cap. It's going to look something like this, and these go on the corners. Now our corners vary in different ways. This one has a flashing detail, some don't. It's all relatively the same. Now that that's capped off, this panel can get peeled, and you're ready to go.